Thanks for joining me today, DevFam. Today I'm going to show you how we can use images as URLs inside of our project. So it's really easy. I'm just going to go ahead and wrap our image widget inside of a container with a height of 50 just to make it easier to show. This container takes a child, and we're going to have an image widget, and we're going to do Image.network to get our image source, or to show our image. Now the image that we're going to show, I just have my YouTube channel up right here, and I'm just going to pull, just to show that we can take any image, we're going to copy the image address, and I'm going to paste it into the source right here as a string. There we go. And now if I refresh, there we go. We can see, let me make that a little bit bigger so that way it's a little bit easier to see. There we go. So we can see that we can use any image or any URL for an image and import it using Image.network. Thanks for joining me today. If you have any questions, just go ahead and leave them down in the comments. If you liked it, go ahead and like this video. If you found this video useful, go ahead and subscribe. There'll be more videos to come. Thanks, guys.